We would like to introduce the new Spider Universal Tape Dispenser, the latest in design for the application of any type of sticky tape. Following our research, the tape and masking dispenser industry is one of the most essential products used around the world. Moreover, our glove applicator supports the wrist for those heavy workloads, a common complaint for Amazon and post office workers, and those that use it professionally. Our universal tape dispenser sits comfortably on the back of your hand and, be like Spider-Man, just point your fist down, press the tape onto the parcel or work and apply with ease. No tangling or sticky fingers, just point down and press. The Spider is specially designed to fit any size or type of tape depending on your needs with our new tape holding mechanism that easily slips on and off with our unique glove or belt connector. Having researched all polymer injection mouldings, identified the most viable and suitable manufacturing techniques for strength, durability and still be lightweight to use regularly, we are confident that the Spider has met all of our objectives. Current design has been of primary importance for a quality product that will lead the market in its field. As you can see, no matter what the position or size of the package, it is so easy to use, and having the applicator seated comfortably on your hand, it leaves you free to write an address or hold your package as you desire. With the development of the new cutting head, there is no snarling of the tape, which is always a pet hate of other machines. So, to summarise, I would like to thank you all for viewing our short presentation. The Spider is the complete tool for applying any size, make and type of tape for any job, whether it be masking or wrapping a Christmas present, or boxing mail or parcels on a major scale. It has you covered. And for those small quick jobs, you can just hold the Spider without wearing the glove. No need to find the end of the tape, no more tangles, and sticky fingers are a thing of the past. The Spider package is available with either a left or right hand glove, a belt clip connector and a roll of tape.